Good evening once again. I'm Regina Manyara and my colleague is none other than Lensa Odinga there on sign language. This is midweek news on Prime Edition. Now, Kenya has formally unveiled its candidate for the International Criminal Court bench, with President William Ruto rallying global support for Supreme Court Judge Njoki Ndung'u. Speaking at State House Nairobi, the president framed the bid as a push to strengthen fairness, credibility and African representation in international justice. The nomination now sets the stage for a diplomatic campaign ahead of the elections to the International Criminal Court for the 2027-2036 term.
Kenya is stepping onto the global legal stage, presenting Justice Njoki Ndung'u as its official candidate for election to the International Criminal Court.
By presenting one of our most accomplished and distinguished jurists, the Honorable Lady Justice Susan Njoki Ndung'u.
President William Ruto used the launch to mount a broader defense of the ICC, stressing that its legitimacy depends on fairness, independence and equal application of the law, amid long-standing criticism of perceived bias in global justice systems.
I have listened very carefully to the track record of Njoki Ndung'u, and I have carefully also listened to her vision about what she wants to do at the International Criminal Court. And they are persuasive, coherent, and meaningful.
The president also pushed for stronger African representation, arguing the continent must move from being the subject of international justice to shaping its direction, especially as many ICC cases have involved African nations.
Africa, therefore, cannot remain merely the subject of international justice. Africa must help shape international justice. And I believe firmly that the candidature of Lady Justice Njoki Ndung'u is going to achieve this end.
Justice Ndung'u's candidature is anchored on decades of legal and constitutional experience, from prosecuting serious crimes to shaping Kenya's 2010 constitution and serving on the Supreme Court.
The judiciary invited expressions of interest from all judges of the superior courts, subjected the applications to rigorous evaluation by the Judicial Service Commission, and transmitted the 3 recommended candidates for consideration by His Excellency the President.
At a very personal level, on behalf of the government of Kenya, you have our endorsement, support, and we are going to campaign for you.
Her track record in advancing gender justice and legal reforms, including key legislation on sexual offences, is expected to form a central pillar of Kenya's speech to ICC member states.
There are moments when we stand together as a nation, irrespective of all other considerations. This is one such moment.
Kenya is now set to lobby state parties to the Rome Statute to back Ndung'u's bid in what could see the country secure a seat on one of the world's most influential judicial bodies. If elected, Justice Njoki Ndung'u will serve a 9-year term at the ICC as Kenya seeks to cement its role in shaping global justice and accountability. Ben Chumba, Prime Edition.